Let's not be from among these on the day of judgment. Oh, I wish I had sent ahead some good for my life. Oh, I wish I had not been given my record and had not known what is my account. Oh, I wish my death had been the decisive one. My wealth has not benefited me. Gone from me is my authority. Oh, I wish I had been with them so I could have attained a great attainment. Oh, if only we could be sent back, we would never deny the signs of our Lord, and we would surely be of the believers. Oh, I wish I had not associated with my Lord anyone. Oh, I wish I had taken a path along with the messenger. Oh, we wish we had obeyed Allah and obeyed the messenger. Oh, I wish that I were dust. It's not too late, my dear brothers and sisters. Just turn back to Allah. Indeed, He is most forgiving, most merciful.